Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the official Moto Dolby Atmos port on your rooted Android device to get a major upgrade in your sound quality. Before we jump in, let's cover the requirements. This isn't just a simple app install, so listen closely. First, you need to be on Android 11 or higher. This mod won't work on older versions. Second, you must be rooted with either Magisk or KernelSU. This is a hard requirement. If your custom ROM is a read-only ROM, you cannot use a standard Magisk installation. You will need to use a specific version like Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask. If you ignore this warning and try to install this on a read-only ROM with standard Magisk, you run a very high risk of a boot loop, a SOFTBRICK, or other system failures. Okay, let's get started with the installation process. I'll walk you through every step. First, some preparation. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed right now, ones with a different name than the one we're about to install, you must uninstall them first. The first module we need to install is the Moto Core Magisk module. After you've installed Moto Core, it's time to install the main Dolby Atmos module itself. You'll install this right from your Magisk or KernelSU app, just like any other module. Now, there are a few special cases to consider during installation. First, if your ROM already came with some version of Dolby built in, you need to activate a cleanup script the very first time you install this module. Second, if you use any other audio mods like Viper for Android, James DSP, or anything similar, you will also need to install the AML or Audio Modification Library module. Install this after the Dolby module. And third, for all you KernelSU users out there, you need to do one extra step. Open your KernelSU app, go into its settings, and make sure you disable the option that says Unmount Modules by default. If you don't, the module won't stake after a reboot. And that's it. When your phone boots back up, you should have a new Dolby Atmos app in your app drawer. You can open it up, and you'll have full control over your EQs, presets, and the virtual surround sound. All the download links for the modules I mentioned, Moto Core, the main Dolby module, and AML, are all available in the video description below. Be sure to follow the link to the recommended Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask as well if you have a read-only ROM. If this guide helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android modding guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.